Afternoon everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, doing a bit of a on-site video today on how to divide and propagate your phormium. So let me turn the camera around and talk you through it. Nice and simple. Excuse the noise, but next to a pond, Exhibit A. Little job on today which involves doing a bit of planting but also sorting out this Phormium, Phormium Maori Queen, Evergreen. Produces lovely flower in the summer, but as you can see over a period of time it's got quite sprawly. So what we're going to do is divide it up as we're in spring now. So easy way, spade, or literally just brute force, pull it apart, and you'll see that each section comes with a root. Now we just got to clean it up, so let me show you. So all you're doing, removing all this old growth that you don't want, like so. Comes away pretty easily. You kind of do a layer at a time. Ooh. Put as a bit of leverage, and then when you're left with decent growth for replanting purposes, you're just going to cut off, or cut all the leaves down to kind of a manageable size, and that'll leave you something like that. Then that way it's not going to dehydrate when you plant it. It's easy to plant, it won't fall over, and that would take really well. So that can go on the par with the others that I've done, and you can see that each one of those will make up a new plant just like that one, and probably in about 3 years time they'll bear flower as well. Simple. So we've cleaned up a few good sections. You know, what I would say, don't be afraid to chuck out those bits that aren't up to it. You can see there that's got some damage to it, so it could be from virus, it could be from pests, but either way we're not desperate for the plant, because we can divide the mother plant up again next year, and obviously we've got plenty of new ones. So any stuff you're not happy with, just discard. But as I say, you know, have a proper look, make sure you clean up each piece as you go, and literally just rip off the old leaves, and then you can kind of have a proper look, gauge whether that piece is actually what you want. You know, that is a massive piece, so it is nice, but actually when you look at it properly, we could then get our hands in there, split it further. So, you know, don't be afraid to get in there. Yeah, two pieces there, and then you can look at these again in turn and just say, are they any good? But for the time being, we'll clean these up and then do a bit of planting. Alright, as with all these things, what's the point of dividing them up if you're not going to use the plant? So, as they want nice sunny position, free draining, we set them out so that the crown is level, or yeah, pretty much level or just above the finishing soil height. That way the excess water is going to drain off. Whack it round, and there'll be a nice new clump there. So all that's left to do, just firm it in, and job done. Nice infill there, and then we've planted up a bit of Osteospermum to the front. Well, fairly tiring work on well, a sunny day actually. So yeah, that is the job done. That's the Phormium replanted. Yeah, so that's the original, smaller ones next to it. So if you've got any questions on anything, but importantly I suppose that, then send me a message and I'll get back to you. But yeah, in the meantime, hope you enjoy your gardening. Keep subscribing to my channel if you like what I'm doing, and see you all soon. Bye for now.